Hi guys, it's me again, Maria, and in this short tutorial video, I'm gonna make a video about how to create a copyright page into your document. I got a question from one of my viewers watching my tutorial about making an interior book that I will publish on Amazon, and she saw the copyright page and she's asking the process and how I did it. So in this short tutorial guys, I'm gonna show how you can create your own copyright to anything that you want to put copyright, like book, company. So it's a short tutorial just to show you guys. Maybe some of you know how to create a copyright document, and for those who need this copyright page for your books, for your company, for your products, then this video is for you. Alright, so now without any further ado, let's jump to my computer. So as you see now guys, I'm here in ChatGPT, and I'm gonna show you guys how you can create your own copyright thing inside of ChatGPT or wherever you want to use it. If you want to use it for your book, or you're writing a book, or videos, you can ask ChatGPT to create you a copyright page for anything that you want. So she's asking me how I did the process. So this is how I did it. I went to ChatGPT and asked the ChatGPT to write a copyright page for my book that I just published in Amazon. So there you go. So once you go to ChatGPT, you can ask the ChatGPT to write a copyright page. So I created a book like a dopamine detox for preschoolers. So this is the example of the copyright page. So you can edit this one guys if you want to edit it, or if you want to add more. Since I created a book, so the sample of my copyright document is like this. So it's a first edition. Then if you have an ISBN number, then you can insert the number here. The publisher, or if you're the author, then you input your name here, or company name. You know, if you have a company and you want to create a copyright something, and you can always ask GPT, but you have to create a prompt to which you want to use those copyright documents. So if it's in a company or a school or a book, or whatever business that you want, you have to be specific on where you want to use that. But I did a follow-up. I went back to ChatGPT and write the real, because ChatGPT is asking me, would you like to help customizing this further for specific needs? Like I told you, you have to be specific. So you're gonna write. So I asked ChatGPT to write the real, not the sample, the real copyright page for this book. Okay, not the example. So ChatGPT, to create a real copyright page for your book, I need some specific details from you. So could you provide the following information? And then here you go. The ChatGPT is going to ask you to submit or to write all of this: author name, year of publication, if it is a book, because I use the book, okay, year of publication, your publisher name, ISBN number, additional credits, website if you have, or contact information, or email, things like that. So let me know, and I'll create a tailored copyright page for your book. So I submitted all of this details that ChatGPT need. So I put my name and the year and the publisher name, and then there you go. So yes, the publication is 2024. I am a self-publishing, and my name is this, and blah, and that, and that. And then here is the copyright page for your books. So the ChatGPT already created the real copyright document page for my book, which all I did is to copy all of this and paste it into my document, which I used CANVA. So as you see guys, here, this is the title of the book, and this is the copyright name, 2024 by my name, okay, and all rights reserved, no part of this publication, and blah blah blah. You can just read this one guys. So if you want to change this, you can just here you can also change this and edit it once you creating your own page for copyright. That's easy as that, guys. All you have to do is just to go ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to create a copyright page for your book, for your website, for your company, or for whatever or wherever, just like that. And then you have to edit it, or if you want to add more, or if you want to change something, then you can always do that inside of ChatGPT. So that's all. I hope I answered your question on how I create my copyright page, the process of doing that. Just go to ChatGPT. And so thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope this helps. If you have any more questions, just let me know, guys, down in the comments. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel so that you get notified, and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. And for all my subscribers, always thank you so much for all your support, and see you next time. Bye for now.